Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing more Forex trading backtesting, and we're going to be using today's sponsor, which of course is Forex Tester 5. And Forex Tester 5, man, I'm telling you, I've done a lot of product reviews on my channel and things like that, but this is probably one of the most promising things that I've ever worked with so far in the Forex industry. It is so awesome for backtesting, which is something that we're big proponents of here on the channel, because as we know, trading, if you're just out there throwing darts and gambling, it's probably going to end with loss. But if you're out there and you're actually taking a scientific method approach and testing your concepts, this is the software, this is your sandbox to really learn and design your strategies before you go throwing them into the live market. So what we're going to do today is we're going to actually try it out. We're going to do some testing through Forex Tester 5. Of course, I'm a little bit new to this platform. I'm still learning it myself, but I'm loving it so far. And so what we're going to do is we're looking at USDJPY. And we're going to actually test live data and try out these this platform to see how things go. So with that said, what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to show you just a couple of the indicators here. So far, I just am going to use kind of things that I'm comfortable with. I like putting simple moving averages onto my charts just to help me get an idea of the trend, etc. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do some quick edits here. So if I want to trade it to red, click OK. There we go. Simple moving average is fine. I'd like to change the period to a 20 period moving average. We'll apply it and apply, and there it is. Now we have a moving average. We're still early on in the test, so it's going to take a minute to kind of filter here. In fact, if I would like to, I can actually go to my list of indicators, and let's say I want to make this a little bit thicker. Pretty easy to do. Again, the platform, if you're familiar with MetaTrader 4, it's built on top of MetaTrader 4, so it kind of makes it really easy to be familiar with fairly quickly. But you have all these different settings that are built into Forex Tester 5. So if I actually just click play here, check this out. I'm going to just try and do some simple backtesting. I'm just going to, for example, take some trades. Let's say I'm looking to go long on dollar yen. It looks like we've got a nice little trending market. And let's say that I decide I want to take a buy trade within this testing concept. Let's say we're just using the 20 moving average trending. In fact, real quick, what we'll do is we'll add one more moving average. Let's say that we get our moving average, and let's add a 50 MA this time. We'll make it a different color. Let's say we go ahead and go for blue. We apply it, and there it is. Now, well, you can't see it yet, but it will be once we get enough data on the chart. Let's just say I'm going to take a buy trade here, and I decide that I would like to place an order. I can just go market order here. And let's just say that I go for something like, I don't know, a 0.2, right? Let's say we're going to try 0.2. And let's say that we're going to buy, and I can click buy. Now, I'm currently into a buy position, but I want to show you something kind of cool here. Let's say that I actually go here and I open this up, and I can actually use this pipette thing. This is, hopefully I said that right. But if I go to a stop loss, and let's say I want to apply my stop loss, I've got this really cool tool where I can actually very easily, using market structure, apply a stop loss to the trade. Let's say I want to put it under structure by a good distance here. We've kind of got, there it is, the modified order. We've kind of got that structure there. This is fresh data to me, so I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen here. But let's just say, using my strategy, that we take the buy trade there on the retest of the 20 MA. Okay, and so now we're currently sitting in a position here. We are currently up on the trade, and we're letting the trade kind of play out. And you can actually see, if I pause down below, look at the profit. So we're open right now, $45 in profit, and we can click resume and see how things go from here. So kind of seeing a little bit of a pullback there. And again, we've done a lot of backtesting videos on the channel, but this is to a different degree. Having this ability to, actually test your concepts and see profit and loss and all that sort of stuff. Look at that, nice little pop to the upside there. It's really a cool little feature. So again, we're seeing how things can play out in historical data with no real risk to the account, which is ideal. So again, nice little move there to the upside. Let's say that we then want to go ahead and move our stop loss and go ahead and put it at break even. Again, we'll see what happens here. It might drop like crazy and tag us out. But the main idea is that I'm able to very quickly, it's almost like I'm trading live, though I'm not actually trading live. So I'm testing my concepts in real time. By the way, as we get into this video, this is of course a sponsored video. If you have any interest in trying this platform out, then there is a link down below in the description. Check it out. Use the promo code there. They've actually set you guys up with through my channel. You'll get a discount should you decide to go for the premium version, and that'll be pretty cool. Okay, so we'll take another trade here. Let's see if we can find one. We're going to look for some sort of a pullback here on dollar yen, and there's our 50 moving average coming into play, which is kind of cool. So any pullback here, I'll probably look to pick up a buy position, trending nicely. So far so good. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. Maybe I'll try and pull back to that 20. Let's see if we get it. We may not. We'll see. But it looks like there it is. We'll take a buy trade there. So if I go ahead and place a not a pending, but a market order here. So let's say I'm going to buy again. Remember, our last trade was break even. So let's see if we can catch a winner here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my 0.2 in again. I'm going to buy, and very easily I can use the pipette thing here again. And let's say I want to put my stop below structure by a little ways. We'll give this one a little bit more room, and we click buy. So now we are in a buy position. We can click play again, press start again, and let this thing run. So again, trending overall, nice little higher lows in this market. And now we are currently in a buy position. We can go ahead and skip ahead and see how things would have played out on this account. So right now we haven't moved too far. We're kind of break even, just back and forth. These are 4-hour charts, 4-hour bars, by the way. I'm just testing kind of my general approach to trading, which is trend following and going with the flow. Nice little start to the trade there. And there we go. Nice move there. Look at that. You can see $261 of profit currently open on the trade. Let's say from now, according to my style of trading, I like to trail stops. Let's say I go ahead and move the stop loss above profit. We've got just below structure there. We'll just put it there and give this a little bit of room to run. They're putting in a nice higher low, nice little market structure there. We can actually go ahead and lock even more. We're at $384. And again, this is kind of expediting my entire process. This beats manual trading by, I'm just going to say this, it beats it by a country mile. It is a major improvement from what I've done in the past, where I've manually back tested concepts on my channel. Don't get me wrong, I like doing that too, but it's nowhere near as convenient as having all of this automatically calculated for you. No, crunching of numbers and testing concepts, so slowly. What I can do here, I think, did we just run out of data? We might have just run out of data. But either ways, there we go. $382 of floating profits. But again, what I was making the point of is manual results, right? Take a lot of time of writing out and calculating how things would have done, but using software like this built specifically to test your concepts is actually just a game changer for your backtesting. It saves you so much time. It allows you to test way more concepts, and I would argue that it even helps you to become a better trader sooner because of spending less time doing, cumbersome tasks like calculating out like profit and loss and things like that manually. All right, guys, and now we're taking a look at the account history. You can see we made some nice profits overall. The first one making a whopping $2.25, but remember, it was just a break-even trade. And then that second trade that we took ended up netting $382 to just close out the position here. And you can see that the $10,000 demo account went to $10,384, and we were really just kind of risking small and keeping things relatively straightforward. But again, being able to test these concepts in this data, it beats manual testing by such a long shot. And I plan on using this much more in the future. Forex Tester definitely has my stamp of approval as an excellent product for traders looking to improve their skills. I've yet to come close to anything nearly as good as Forex Tester for backtesting your concepts and expediting your learning process. There is no course, no nothing that can get you up to speed better than really just digging in and trying things out in the markets. Sure, courses can be helpful, which, by the way, the Forex Tester platform has plenty of courses included with it. But the more important thing in my view, as we've always talked about on the channel, is, testing these concepts that you learn on the markets, whether you're watching it in a course or from YouTube videos, whatever. Actually going and testing it is going to be the most number one important thing to consider in your actual trading. So Again, check out Forex Tester 5 if you have not already. It is an excellent platform, and there's a link down below in the description, at the top of the description. If you plug in the promo code that they've set up for my audience, you can actually get access for a discounted rate. So check it out. All the information is down below in the description. Like I said, I do not think you'll be disappointed. It is an excellent product and worth trying out. So check it out down below in the description. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching today's video. There are more videos available on our channel here and here, so go ahead and click into that for some more free trading content. With that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you back next time.